Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about how to make such a simple graph in an Excel sheet. To make such a graph, I'm going to write the samples name in the column and name up another parameter in the row. Actually, I'm going to make a graph for different absorption values at different nanometer through spectrophotometer. So at 200 nanometer the sample 1 gave 0 absorption, at 200 nanometer sample 2 gave 0. All of these gave 0 absorption at 200 nanometer. Similarly at 250 nanometer the values were very much different from each other. It gave 0.85 absorption, it gave 0.7 absorption, it gave 0.65 absorption, and it gave 0.4 absorption. Similarly at 300 nanometer almost different absorption values were there: 0.3, 0.25, 0.25, 0.2, 0.1. Now I will select the data with only 3 parameter. I will include the 3 parameter, not the fourth one. I will include the fourth one later on. Then I will click the insert, then I will click the scatter diagram, then I will click this one, and we will get the graph like this. Now what will we do with this graph? You can see over here that the origin is very much away from this area. So we will make changes in this graph. How will we make changes? I'm going to show you. This is very simple. First of all, I'm going to remove the grid. So this is the layout. In the layout there is grid, and we will remove the grid. I have removed the grid. Now I'm going to insert this fourth sample also. How to insert it? I will click this area, and this will be inserted automatically by dragging this. So the fourth line is also there. Now I will change the start of this x-axis. The x-axis should start from 200. This should not start from 0, because all the origin are from 200. So I will drag this to this area. How will I do it? I will right click on this x-axis, right click, format axis. Then you can see over here that this is automatic, so I'm going to make the fix, and I'm going to delete it and make it 200. So the origin will start from 200 with x-axis. Now you can see that it starts from 200. Okay, now I'm going to refine it. How will you refine it? You can see that the width of the line is very much thick, and I'm also not liking the color of these lines. So I will right click it and format the data series, and then you can see over here this is the line color and this is the line style. The line style is having very much, this is very thick, so I am going to make it very thin now. And what is the color? I'm going to make it solid and then make it black. You can also make it very much small, or 1.5 is 1.25 is good. You can see over here 1.25 is very much good. This is very fine. And similarly for each and every line, you will right click on the line, for format the data point, and then you will click the line color. The line color should be solid, and then you can make different color updates. Then the line style should be very much fine. Now this is not good. One thing you should keep in mind that while clicking or right click on this graph, you will make sure that all the three dots, this dot, this dot, and all the dots have been selected. Then you will right click on this line, and then you will make changes in the style. So this is 1.75, and the line color should be solid, and it should be black, almost black is good. So now this one, now you can see that the lines are very much refined, and these are not bad, but you can also change the colors of these dots. This should not be in another color, this should be pure black. I can change it very easily, but this one should not be make black, because after making black, this will change its color, this will change its pattern, you can see. So I will not make it black. I will control Z this. I will change the style of this one. I will use marker option, and in the marker option there is built-in, and the built-in there are various types of this one is also not bad, but like this one. So you can see now that this is a different color. So ultimately we have got this graph.